JuliaKins and I, we moved in together. Yes, we're roommates. I know you just entered, and you will continue entering many rooms because we will show you every single room.
Man I've ever met.
Amazing, thank you for the sub.
Thank you. Well, first off, chat, here we have the amazing hallway with Julia's brand new StarForge Systems PC.
Wow, and chat, don't worry about it. We already blocked off all the addresses, so no worries.
Probably. Hopefully.
Doxing stream!
A whole bunch of nothing everywhere. Over here, we will have another room. Let me actually show you. This is one very, very beautiful, very, very nice. Let me turn on the lights.
Hold on, wait.
Ah, there we go.
Very nice.
Here we have one of the greatest rooms of all time because this is the castle of JuliaKins.
That's me!
JuliaKins will have her set up here for two reasons. One, hardwood floor. Pepper is a little lady, you know, she likes attention. It is similar to a previous one with a twist.
Wow, look at my built-in bookshelf!
I built that chat.
Wow, amazing!
In just under 2 hours, I put this together. Obviously, it wasn't here before I did that. And Julia can have all the books, all the smut, all the stuff that you guys sent her, lambs, clams, MMA stuff, maybe 4 different categories of whatever.
Yes, all my smut. Let me grab Miss Pepper.
Very
By the way,
very
chat,
nice.
I will do.
This shelf slab can fit this much smut in it.
Yeah,
I mean,
think
hey.
so. Chat, I was thinking of this. So I want to decorate each shelf kind of different, and I was thinking some of the bigger shelves. You can kind of move the shelves around too.
However you like.
Let's say we have like little cat apartments where, okay, envision this with me. We do like, oh, okay. We go like this, like we get the bigger ones, maybe we get 2.
Wow.
Or maybe we get 3. Like let's say we have enough space for that, and each cat gets their own little, or maybe we just do 1 so we don't like take all this shelf space. And we make it into like a little like, what's it called? Cat apartment. So we'll have like a little bed. I'll put some like fake wallpaper and stuff. Maybe hang like little curtains right here, and then put like little cat photos like it's a house. And then they can go and they can lay there. Have some like food and treats and stuff, and that'll be like their little catio place. And we could maybe put it like lower or whatever. But yeah, this is my room.
Very nice.
I will say there is a little side note. This is probably one of the small, because this is essentially the office. And this is a little bit smaller of all the rooms, but I made the decision, we made the decision for this one to be mine because of, this is the only room with hardwood floors, and I just don't trust her. Yeah. Especially when it comes to her poopies and her little accidents. We're trying to train her to poop on the perches, but in the meantime, I just want to make sure that we don't ruin any carpet. Or that it doesn't get nasty. Also, her seeds and stuff kind of like sprays around every now and then. So, yeah, but yep, this one's my room, and it has the cool little built-in bookshelves. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't like really have that many people over on my streams. That's kind of like Arthur's thing. I will still do collabs, but it kind of just makes sense for me.
Well, also more importantly, the kitchen is like how do I say this? Oh, how often will I be in the kitchen cooking? Imagine plot
be
twist.
there eating.
I cook all the time, and you just become like the MILF that will just be in her room playing the World of Warcraft or something.
Yeah, I'll run away.
But yes, hallway here. Here we have another room. It's kind of dark right now, right?
Oh yeah, a little bit. I think we turned off all the lights.
Yeah.
Wow.
The electricity bill.
I had to listen.
Rent.
I had to threaten this man because I said, listen.
Electricity bills. Water bills. Rent up front. Well, anyways, let's go. So here we have a very nice little door. Actually, one thing that I love is the doors are very tall. For storage, if you have coats or hangers, what?
Nothing. I'm just gonna cry because we have storage.
That's right. Storage.
Oh my god. Sorry, I was getting emotional.
Kind of crazy. Wow.
Wow.
With a walk-in shower. Okay, one thing that I actually do love though, the showers, they literally have already built in glass.
Yes.
So imagine. Oh, by the way, this is like another like.
Do the houses you go to usually not have built-in glass?
Yes, and look at this stuff and this stuff and this. Okay, this is the weirdest thing ever. Whoever lived here before, they had simple human minimalism freaking containers for their shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, like as if it's a hotel. What about this is simple? This is not minimalism. This is not simple. This is like, yeah, let me buy a container for my container to put it in the new container.
It was an Airbnb.
What the fuck?
I don't think it was.
No, no, it wasn't.
No.
Also, this toilet, very nice. Does not have a bidet.
But I have one at home that I can install in it.
That's right. Let me leave it on for a second.
Okay.
Over here, chat, we have Cobain's room, as you can see. He's currently... Oh wait, I gotta turn off the fan just in case Pepper wants to fly up in the sky. This is Cobain's room.
Let me wait 1 second, chat, because I don't want my bird going.
That's right. So this is Cobain's room. He's currently working on his new album. I think some of the lyrics, just to give you a little bit of an intro, is like bark, bark, woof, woof.
Okay, that should be good.
Yeah, this is one of the... Oh, hold on.
Oh.
This is one of the technically other guest bedrooms.
Yeah, this is the first guest bedroom. And as you guys can see, we're gonna zhuzh up the furniture, but this has my old furniture set in it.
That's right. So this is Julia's old furniture, which is still, let's be honest, this is still great. It just needs like a couple of like touch-ups, couple of, you know, making it pretty, making it beautiful. I think you said, I'm not sure. I think you told me that something about your bed was broken that I have to fix.
Yeah, you have to fix my bed.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for that one.
We'll do that. Well, this light is kind of like softy, huh? I wonder if 2 light bulbs are broken.
Maybe.
But yeah, other than that, we have a whole bunch of boxes which are very leakable. Careful.
Okay.
But yeah.
My old mirror
Simple.
that everybody used to make fun of because they said it was a granny mirror and it looked like somebody died in my room.
Hello.
Hi. But yeah, chat. Also, the cat, Adeline. It's so funny. Chewy, the red cat, used to be like the biggest giga chat. He is an absolute...
He's
like,
a pussy.
He's the most scared individual I've ever seen in my entire life. I'm not even joking. But yeah, as we now enter one of the main living spaces, this is where we will have cute little fireplace adventures.
Ooh, toasty.
Where we can watch TV together or wind down.
Yeah, please ignore everything. Obviously, chat, we literally moved in yesterday, so...
No, this is the final product. I think we should live like this. It's kind of unique, you know.
I mean,
it's
we can
different.
kind of, you know.
It's like, man, I need a new pair of underwear. Let me check. This is bedroom master shorts, underwear, PJs, bras.
Oh, there's your bras are in there, Arthur.
Nice. And in case I'm looking for a mirror, I'm like, man, where are the mirrors? That's a painting. Oh, there it is. Nice. You know, it's right there when you need it. Over here, by the way, chat, what the fuck? Here is most of it is either stuff that I bought for the kitchen and wish list stuff, which is like, what the fuck? There's, by the way, more outside that just came, which I don't know what it is.
The whole door, yeah.
Here we have another Starforge. This Starforge is for the kitchen, though. How do I turn on the lights, by the way?
Oh, sorry, chat. You already kind of see the beep, 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 beep. Is it this one?
Potentially.
Maybe. Oh, you want to do? Oh, it's right there too. You want to do this one? No.
I just want to turn on the lights just for the time being. I give up.
Maybe it's these. Just flip all of them on.
60% humidity. 60% high. I feel a little bit moist.
I think so, maybe.
I'm feeling a little bit moist. This is like Sven's house. Okay, this is funny.
Oh, yeah.
So Sven wanted to sell his house and he wanted to just like move out and go away. Whatever you're watching on Sven's channel the last couple of days, it's all pre-recorded. We moved into Sven's house.
We did.
That's right. So here we have the dining area, or like the whatever you call it, with a beautiful blank wall of a whole bunch of nothing. I know. It is one of those things where I really want to say, Hello. Thank you for the sub. Thank you, Jad. Over here, we have more boxes.
Oh my God.
I thought we wanted to have like consistency with the aesthetics where everything is kind of like brown and kind of blending in together. So right now it looks like we're moving in and it looks like that across the entire house. Beautiful. I think it's just very unique. Over here, we have little blankets for the schmogies. This is where they get to rest when they don't rest on the floor. Very nice. The outside area, which, should we show the outside area or the garage and the pantry first?
We'll do the garage and pantry first.
Well, chat, over here we have a whole bunch of things like in this pantry we have...
Chat, so basically I'm unboxing everything.
That's right.
And I'm washing them all. So like they've been touched and wrapped up in t-shirts and so.
Wait, maybe you show this part because it's like...
What?
Because this is kind of like your area, yo.
Chat, we're gonna have better kitchen streams. I'm so excited. Yee! So I've been laying out everything. So like I was saying, we are currently washing all of the glasses to make sure they're all nice. We have some new plates coming. I think they actually came in this morning.
Wow.
So I have to unpack those and wash all of them, which takes a lot of time. We have a very fancy schmancy little thing that sings to us. It goes dee-doo, 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 dee.
Wow, it's singing.
And I said, okay. Don't ignore this. I have been cooking already, been breaking in the thingamabob, but whatever.
You know what's crazy?
Look how cool this is. Arthur, you haven't seen this. Also ignore this because I just cooked this morning. Look at this.
I mean, I'm looking.
Wait, hold on. Look, it has little... Whoa. This looks like...
Wait, it has accent lights.
It literally looks like the Iron Man.
Wow.
Look at that. Insane. Wow. Never seen it before. Anyways, we're going to turn that off because I'm not paying that. Anyways, next. More just cabinets and stuff.
More.
Look at this fancy microwave.
Wow.
Don't look at the back. We got to clean that.
It has an included iPad. Which, okay, let's be honest, why?
I don't know. Honestly, I was trying to figure it out this morning. It was kind of pissing me off.
Yeah, I haven't used
Sometimes
it yet.
rich things are like, my God, just give me a button. Just give me a 30-second, which there is a 30-second, but sometimes I just want, where's the popcorn button, you know? Anyways. Chat, this is going to be our little drink station.
Wow.
I'm going to organize all the little teas down here. We have nice, we're going to put the coffee mugs, all of Arthur's drugs, you know, some restock. We're having a little coffee station. As of right now, the outlets don't work.
Oh yeah, there's a few outlets where it constantly just like kicks them out, which is like these ones.
It's all of the kitchen, basically.
And these ones.
Which is really annoying.
Drama.
Yeah. Well, let me show you my next station, chat. This is going to be cool little kitchen stuff. We got some nice whatever.
Now she gets really excited. Watch.
Oh my God, the laundry room!
Wow.
Slay! It's not that crazy, but it is nicer than my old one.
Wow, you can even like walk in. This is where, this is one of Julia's favorite devices because she got that on her birthday.
Yes.
It's a Samsung AI Jet vacuum.
I fucking love my vacuum cleaner. And by the way, anybody that said, oh my God, Arthur, why would you gift a vacuum cleaner for her birthday? I love it. I absolutely love it. I wanted that.
That's right.
Actually, Nick has one like this at his house. And there was one day that I was vacuuming the house. And I fell in love with that vacuum and I said, what is this? I need this technology. Can I show them?
Yeah.
Look at this. If you guys have a lot of pets, by the way, so let's say we're going like this and you're going, nee, 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 and this fills up with hair. This is the best part. You put it on this.
Oh yeah, it feels very rewarding.
You put it on this. Listen.
You might be the greatest man I've ever met.
That was amazing timing. Thank you. Wow. It does that. Thank you.
It sucks the hair out.
That's right.
Amazing. Okay.
It's being a little bit extra because it's like deep cleaning.
It's doing a little too much.
It's almost done.
And then this is my pantry. Again,
Oh, to be fair, one thing
I will say my one critique of the house, I'm not a fan of the pantry.
Yeah. Where's the light for this?
Oh, it's right. It's right here. I'm
So-
not a huge fan of the pantry.
Yeah,
but
it's missing
bigger.
lights. This is for people that like only order DoorDash or something. I know.
What? Well, I feel like it could be bigger for a house like this, but I think it's great. I think we can use a lot for it. I feel like this is perfect. We got some little storage bins.
Storage.
So I'm gonna like store everything and label it later.
Storage.
I already started with the pasta bin.
Wow.
And yeah, I did not know storage containers were so expensive. That just means we'll be doing a subathon soon. Anyways.
Powers. You know what's crazy though?
Oh, I'm sorry, Quinn.
There's like lights and bells and whistles everywhere. A freaking iPad on the microwave, but no lights in the pantry. What if you want to?
Not?
No, there isn't.
We can install some.
Yeah, probably.
That's not too bad.
That's bigger than my house.
I'm not gonna lie, this light is fine. Like, what can you not see on the pantry?
Well, it's like, what if you want to find the I don't know, the Oreos or?
So this is gonna be the snack station, and I'm like trying to think in my mind. I'm like, because it's not like eye level. Maybe it is for you, Arthur. But I'm like, you kind of have to do more work to get to the junk food.
If it's not eye level, I can't see it.
This is like the cooking. This is gonna be all the carbs, and this will be like the add-ins and stuff.
So if this was me, it'd be like this. Let me check the pantry. I don't know what it is. I only see potatoes because it's eye level. So I only see potatoes and oats.
You got to do more work to get to the snacks.
Yeah, if I really like have to, think. I look up and I'm like, oh wait.
We have Arthur's premium oats.
That's right.
2 of them, because I told this motherfucker, please stop ordering new oat containers after you make only 2 bowls of oats.
Hey.
So that's that.
Yeah.
All right, Arthur, I think it's time for you to take over. You have to get through this guy.
Oh.
He said you have to pay the fee.
Hi, chowdy rowdy. All right. Well, chowder.
Ouch.
I'm so sorry. He can come.
Are you gonna open the garage?
Open?
Yeah. Are you gonna be opening the garage?
No.
Okay. No. I'm just making sure for Pepper.
Chowder.
Oh.
you what? Pepper?
Yeah.
Well, wait, why?
You've been marked. I'm sorry.
Oh, I have been marked?
Yeah.
Is it bad?
No, it's not bad.
Do you need to clean it now?
Yeah, maybe a little bit. Can you hold them for a second and just don't move? Oh, Miss Pepper, you do so well. And then you know.
The streak broke, chat. She was good all this time, but now we had her on our back for 1 minute too long. I can feel the moist, wet shoulder. Oh my god, you know what's crazy? I was so tired yesterday at some point. I kept thinking that Pepper's on my shoulder. So I kept moving as if...
You kind of, like, when she's hanging out on your shoulder for a while, you start to forget.
Yeah, you become kind of like, what's the word?
Oh, look, this is also what I'm excited for. I forgot to show this.
Trash?
It's a built-in trash can. So, like, this morning when I was cutting stuff up and cracking eggs, I just throw it away, and then I... Amazing.
Wow.
Sorry.
Well, that's why we get like burp stations.
Yeah, I ordered 3 little poop perches, like little tiny ones.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Bird likes you pooping means a lot. But yeah, Chad, this is where we have all the skeletons and stuff.
That's when I don't think that's Arthur when he rage baits me again.
Oh, yeah, you can press the. Hold on.
No, because I have Miss Pepper on my shoulder.
No, I'm just talking about the lights.
Oh.
Okay. So, Chad, here we have a whole bunch of boxes with my coach shoes, with a bunch of shoes, with a whole bunch of stuff. Lamps, blankets, gym equipment, Xmas, whatever that means.
Yeah, why is it called Xmas?
I don't know. It's weird. I also have my table saw in case we want to go fishing. But I think I already caught a really good one.
So cheesy.
A whole bunch of stuff. Over here, I think what we want to do is, this is where we will put out mats. This small garage will be the gym area because it really isn't hot at all in the garage.
Well, it's not hot because it's springtime.